2, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, rock. 5, 6, 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, rock. 9, 10, 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, rock. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. Play the glad rag, come on, join me high. We'll have some fun when the clock strikes one. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock, rock, rock till broad daylight. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. When the clock strikes 2, 3, and 4, if the band slows down, we'll yell for more. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock till broad daylight. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. When the chimes ring 5, 6, and 7, we'll be right in 7th heaven. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock till broad daylight. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. When it's 8, 9, 10, 11, 2, I'll be going strong, and so will you. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock till broad daylight. Gonna rock around the clock tonight. When the clock strikes 12, we'll cool off and start rocking around the clock again. We're gonna rock around the clock tonight. We're gonna rock till broad daylight. Gonna rock around the clock tonight.
Round, round, get around, I get around, yeah, get around, round, round, I get around, I get around, round, 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 I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around. I'm getting bugged driving up and down the same old strip. I gotta find a new place where the kids are hip. My buddies and me, you're getting real well known. Yeah, the bad guys know us and they leave us alone. I get around, round, 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 I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, I get around. We always take my car 'cause it's never been beat, and we've never missed yet with the girls we meet. None of the guys go steady 'cause it wouldn't be right to leave your best girl home on a Saturday night. I get around, round, 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 I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, get around, round, round, I get around, I get around, round, round, get around, I get around, yeah, get around, round, round, I get around, 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 get around,
That's your daddy! Woohoo! And your papa! All right, Otis! He missed it! Go, Paul!
Keep going, keep going.
Oh no.
He made it to third. Uh-oh, uh-oh. He made it.
That's our pitcher.
Home run.
Did it without stopping.
Hey, home run, man.
Hey, I like it.
Oh boy, that's out there. Go, Otis.
Go, go, go.
He's coming home. So the Rev hit a home run and Otis is running it in.
I like it.
What do you want to do?
I want three people. Load the bases.
This is my baby brother. Oh, look at that. This is a family affair. Isn't there a cousin here too?
Yeah, he's not here.
He didn't come. He didn't want to get embarrassed.
And unfortunately, I'm the brother-in-law of these two.
Oh my goodness, family affair.
Hot damn, we're good.
What'd you say?
Goodness gracious, we're good.
Okay. Talk to the crowd,
I'll
Rev.
tell you, what a team. We're coming together. Outfield catches like you would not believe.
Yay.
Hitting, we are claw.
Yeah.
Still Tuesday.
What's the score,
I don't know.
You don't know?
10, set 19.
26 to 19. Okay.
It's a defensive gem.
Score there, Mr. Umpster.
4-4. It is now the top of the 4.
Woohoo!